In early September 2025, astronomers made an extraordinary discovery that is already building excitement among skywatchers. The comet C/2025 R3 PanSTARRS was spotted by the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System PanSTARRS, an advanced pair of 1.8-meter reflector telescopes situated atop the Haleakala volcano in Hawaii. The discovery of this long-period comet has captivated scientists and astronomers alike as they begin to track its journey through the solar system. As it nears its closest approach to the Sun and Earth, there is growing anticipation that C/2025 R3 could be the brightest comet of the year, with the potential to be visible to the naked eye. This has caused a stir in the astronomical community, as comet visibility is rare, and many are eagerly awaiting its show. C/2025 R3 is currently located around 216 million miles, 348 million kilometers, from Earth, sitting somewhere between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This distance may seem far by earthly standards, but in the vastness of space, it places the comet at a relatively close position compared to other cosmic bodies. It is important to note that this comet belongs to a special category known as long-period comets. These comets take more than 1,000 years to complete their orbits around the Sun, which means that they are often visiting our solar system for the first time in millennia. C/2025 R3 is thought to have originated from the Oort cloud, a vast and distant region of the solar system that contains icy bodies and comets that are scattered at the outer edges of our cosmic neighborhood. The Oort cloud is a mysterious reservoir far beyond the orbit of Neptune, where billions of icy objects remain in a kind of frozen stasis. The discovery of C/2025 R3 is not just significant because of its bright potential, but because it gives astronomers a rare chance to observe and study an object that has never passed through our inner solar system before. While its full orbital path is yet to be determined, the comet is expected to come perilously close to the Sun, making its perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, on April 20th, 2026. This is an exciting event because it will give scientists an opportunity to observe the comet's behavior in unprecedented detail. At perihelion, C/2025 R3 will pass within 47.4 million miles, 76.3 million kilometers, of the Sun. This is between the orbits of Mercury and Venus, two of the closest planets to the Sun. As it draws near, the intense heat and radiation from the Sun will likely cause the comet to warm up, causing the ice to vaporize and create the spectacular tail that comets are known for. What makes C/2025 R3 particularly interesting is that it could become the brightest comet of the year, potentially visible to the naked eye. For this to happen, its apparent magnitude, a measure of its brightness as seen from Earth, would have to reach a level where the comet is visible without the aid of a telescope. While some astronomers predict that the comet may shine at an apparent magnitude of 8, which would make it visible only with a good pair of binoculars or a telescope, others speculate that it could reach a magnitude of 2.5. If this prediction holds true, C/2025 R3 would be easily visible to the naked eye. For context, an apparent magnitude of 0 or 1 is typical for bright celestial objects like planets and stars, while a magnitude of 2.5 is within the range of many bright comets that are often visible from Earth. The difference in brightness estimates arises from the uncertainty about how much the comet's ice will sublimate as it nears the Sun. The more the ice evaporates, the brighter the comet will become, as the sunlight reflected off the dust and gas will create a dazzling display. After its close pass by the Sun, C/2025 R3 will continue on its journey toward Earth. On April 27, 2026, it will make its closest approach to our planet, coming within 44 million miles, 78 million kilometers, of Earth. While this may seem close in cosmic terms, it is still more than 180 times farther than the Moon, so there is no danger to our planet. However, the comet's proximity to Earth will give stargazers a rare opportunity to see the celestial ice ball with their own eyes, assuming it reaches a bright enough magnitude. For astronomers, it will be a unique event to track, as it will allow them to study the effects of the Sun's heat on the comet structure and behavior in real time. The comet's passage through the inner solar system will be a valuable opportunity for scientists to gather data on how comets evolve and interact with the sun's radiation. The excitement surrounding C/2025 R3 is not just about its potential brightness, but also the scientific opportunities it presents. Comets are often considered time capsules, containing remnants from the early solar system. Their icy makeup preserves materials from a time when the solar system was forming, and studying them can help scientists understand the conditions that existed in the early stages of our solar system's formation. By studying the composition of the gas and dust that the comet sheds as it warms up, scientists hope to uncover more about the origins of life on Earth. Some theories suggest that comets could have played a role in delivering the building blocks of life, such as water and organic molecules, to our planet billions of years ago. The study of C/2025 R3 could provide important clues in this ongoing investigation. Another fascinating aspect of comets, like C/2025 R3, is their potential impact on popular culture. When a bright comet appears in the night sky, it often captures the public's imagination. In the past, comets have been seen as omens or messages from the heavens, inspiring awe and wonder. The most famous example of this is Halley's Comet, which has been observed by humans for millennia. The sight of a comet like C/2025 R3 could spark a renewed interest in astronomy and space science, bringing attention to the wonders of our universe and the ongoing work of astronomers who study the cosmos. Additionally, the comet's visibility could inspire a new generation of skywatchers, much like other bright comets, such as Hale-Bopp in 1997 or Neowise in 2020 did. For those who wish to catch a glimpse of C/2025 R3, it will be crucial to plan ahead and track the comet's progress as it approaches the Sun and Earth. As with most comets, its brightness will vary depending on a number of factors, including its distance from Earth and the Sun, its speed, and the rate at which it is losing material as it warms up. Skywatchers will need to consult astronomic charts and expert predictions to determine the best time to view the comet. In addition, binoculars or a small telescope will enhance the experience, allowing observers to see the comet's tail in more detail. The tail, which is made up of gas and dust particles, can stretch millions of miles behind the nucleus of the comet and often appears as a brilliant streak of light in the sky. The discovery of C/2025 R3 is part of a larger trend of increased comet observations, thanks to modern technology and sophisticated telescopes like PanSTARRS. As telescopes and observational tools become more advanced, astronomers are able to discover new comets with greater frequency, providing more opportunities for research and public engagement with space science. While comets are relatively rare events that may not be visible to the naked eye every year, C/2025 R3 is shaping up to be a significant event in 2026, offering a potential opportunity to witness a bright and beautiful spectacle in the night sky. In the coming months, as C/2025 R3 continues its journey toward Earth, astronomers will be closely monitoring its trajectory and brightness. Their observations will help to refine predictions about its appearance and provide valuable insights into the nature of comets. Whether C/2025 R3 becomes the great comet of 2026 remains to be seen, but it is undoubtedly a spectacular object of study for both professional scientists and amateur astronomers alike. Its appearance in the sky is sure to be an unforgettable event for all who are fortunate enough to witness it.